The best, the best. Delicious, the best. So delicious, so simple. Beats those packaged lemonades every single time, hands down. So welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen, and today I have the simplest of drinks that you can make, but it's definitely makes a huge impact in flavor. You get a packaged pre-lemonade or lemonade mix, it is just not the same at all to fresh squeezed lemonade, and it's the simplest drink in the world to make. So let's show you how to do it. Very easy. You're going to take your lemons, slice them, and probably we're going to need about, depending on how juicy your lemons are, you might want 3 lemons, but we're going to start with 2, and we're just making a half a gallon of lemonade, so we need 1 cup of lemon juice. I have an electric juicer, and it makes it so much quicker, but you know, a hand one will do, because if you're only making a half a gallon, not a problem. If you're making a gallon of lemonade, you need 2 cups of lemon juice. This little juicer really holds up good. I have juiced gallons and gallons of lemons, oranges, grapefruit, so it's definitely a worthwhile purchase. We have almost 1 cup of juice. I'm just going to do half of another lemon. I'm just going to do half of another lemon, and we'll have more than enough. Now you can take this, your other half, and just do thin slices. And I'll show you what we can do with that later on. Here's my half-gallon container, and into my half-gallon container I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. We need 1 cup of lemon juice. Stir it a bit just to get it to dissolve the sugar. And the next step is to fill this with water. We have our half-gallon jug filled with water. Completely dissolve the sugar by stirring. This is the best fresh squeezed lemonade. I get so many requests for this recipe, and it's so simple, but I guess it's just till you do it, you don't realize how simple it can be. Okay, now we're going to take our sliced lemons, just for a little decoration in there. Drop it in, and you could add some frozen cranberries in there too if you wanted. And in a clear glass jar, this would look, you'd really notice it and it'd be very beautiful. But in this, you can't tell as much. And it's ready to go. Let's pour us a glass. And then what I want to do is take another lemon and, let's see, I think I'm going to do a green also. So do this one a little bit thicker, and then cut it in half, and then do a little cut, just a little snip at the very base of this, not too big, and then you're going to just set this on the edge of your glass. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to us, and we really appreciate every one of you. So delicious. Your guests will love it, and you will too. Not too sweet, not too tart, but just right.